we're starting off the chapter with conditional probability. The word condition means what? There's a certain condition. Post that, what is the probability? That's the question. So in simple words, it's like asking, okay, I know something has happened. How does that change the game? How does that change the outcome? Let me give an example. So we have a sample space of a deck of 52 cards. So obviously there are 52 cards. So instead of ace, I have 1. Instead of jack, queen and the king, I have 11, 12 and 13. So let's look at what happens. The first event being selecting red cards. So we are pretty much taking all the cards in the first 2 rows. Right, we chose all. Now given this condition, so there is a condition being it's a red card. What is the probability of selecting a 8 of hearts? So basically which card? This card, right? So this is around 26 cards, so 1 by 26, right? So end of it is 1 by 26. See, the question would have been, sorry, not the question, the answer would have been different if we had selected the other set of cards, the darker ones, the gray ones. Selecting the gray cards, right? If we had done that, what happens? Then the 8 of hearts would not be happening. It's not 1 by 26, it's 0 by 26. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is the conditions can be, anything, right? So here the condition is this. On this condition, we want to check out a probability of doing something. Okay. So let me put one more example. What is the probability of drawing a heart given that you already have a red card? So here the first event is the same, actually it's the same example. So we have a red card. And the second event is we have heart. Oh, no, this is not the same. So we have red card and then we are pulling out heart. So basically here, so first is red card, right? This 2 rows. In that heart means this entire row. So that would be how much? 14 by 26. No, 13 by 26, sorry. 13 by 26, right? So this first row, entire row would have been selected. You got it? So it's half the percentage. If I had not have this condition, if I happened to just tell, you know what, just pull out any heart, right? It would have been 1 by 4th because this entire first row is 13 cards, 13 divided by 54, 54, right? 54, 52. 13 divided by 52 is 1 by 4. Yeah, 52. Okay, are you getting it? Because of this condition, the probability of this will change to half because of this condition. Okay, you getting it? So it's the same probability idea, just that we have a different condition, that's it. What is the probability of drawing a king given that you already drawn an ace? Right? How does that look? Let me show it to you guys. So 52 cards again, that's the sample space. So the first condition is we are drawing an ace, right? That's the first condition. So you need to understand what is the first condition. So I have it over here, right? First condition is drawing an ace. Draw an ace, right? See, you need to understand what is the first condition and then work towards the second condition. Second event being draw a king. Does it make sense? So we again remember one over here is an ace. So we are selecting all of this. There are 4 of it. And now drawing a king. Is that possible? No, right? So actually the answer is 0. Okay, anyways, the point here is we are trying to understand that given a certain condition, right, what is the probability of this particular event happening? Okay, so let's define it. The probability of event B occurring given that event A has already occurred is called the conditional probability of event B given event A. This particular thing is denoted by probability of, in this case, B, sorry, given A. So remember, this is read as given, this straight line, and this you will read it as probability of B given A. That's how you read it as. Okay, let it sink in. Now, so one last example. What is the probability of drawing a heart given that you have already drawn a red card? Represent the situation. So probability of, what is that we are trying to do? We are trying to draw a heart given, right? That straight line. You have a red card. Okay. Now it's time for you guys to write all of this. So you can draw, not draw, sorry. You can just take one example if you guys want. Yeah, everything over here has to be copied, the definition I mean.